Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. Today we're going to check out some more bob haircut ideas. First up, we see a major transformation with this first one. So the stylist did a classic jaw length bob and beautiful bangs. And then we have another bob transformation. So she also got kind of that bottleneck bang style. And then this person is going from very long hair to this gorgeous lob. Beautiful blunt lob, center part down the middle. And she still has a lot of length to play around with as far as styling options are concerned. Here we see another gorgeous lob. This one is a tad bit shorter than the previous one. The stylist does add in beautiful waves, and she also has curtain style bangs. So this haircut transformation features a beautiful blunt angled style bob, long bangs in the front, and then we move on to more of another classic bob haircut. Looks like this one is going on an angle as well, and it also features beautiful blunt bangs in the front. Then we see another gorgeous angled bob. The stylist added some waves for some texture. Then we see another long to bob transformation. So it looks like she's getting a chin length style bob. Color added as well. Curls for texture and beautiful soft curtain style bangs. And then we see another lob here. This one comes to around shoulder length, and the stylist is going to add in some curls for some texture. So this, of course, is going to add in some nice volume to the hair. Beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. He did cut the hair just a tad bit, and that holds the curls better, but overall beautiful transformation. Alright you guys, so if you felt inspired by any of these bob haircuts, don't forget to give this video a like and hit that subscribe button to stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends.